Hey guys, in a shifting market, which everyone's feeling right now, buyers and sellers, a lot of buyers are having to get way more creative with financing options available to them to make sure that they're really comfortable with purchasing a home right now. Hey, this is Erin Eicher with Remax in Durango, Colorado, and today I'm going to go through a few options that buyers have to get creative in financing to help them get into a home. First and foremost, if you are stuck thinking about conventional mortgage, 30-year fixed rate loans are your only option, I think it's probably time to talk to a local lender. Local banks offer different options and a little bit more flexibility when it comes to financing. And they may even have products that fix your rate at a lower interest rate for, let's say, 5 years or 3 years, which allows you the opportunity to get into a home now at a rate that you're comfortable with and then refinance 12, 18, 24 months from now when rates go down. Typically, as long as you're refinancing with their institution, you're not going to see a prepayment penalty or anything like that that's going to affect you. But it allows you to get into something now at a lower interest rate before home prices continue to increase, which the forecast is they're not going to go down. They may stay a little level into 2023, but in 2024 and beyond, we really think as interest rates come back down, property prices are going to continue to inflate, making that kind of cost benefit analysis really, really important. So we call 5-1 or 3-1 or a 7-1, we call that an ARM, an adjustable rate mortgage. So if you haven't talked to your lender yet about that as an option to secure a lower interest rate now that would protect you and allow you to get into the home and refinance later, I would definitely recommend that. The next creative option I have for you is really cool. So if you're a buyer that currently qualifies for FHA, VA, or USDA financing, these loans are really special because they are backed by the government. They are actually assumable. So let me talk about what that means. An assumable mortgage is a mortgage that does not have a due on sale clause included in the note in the deed. Basically meaning the mortgage company doesn't have any requirements if the current mortgage holder, the seller of the property, wants to transfer their loan to a new buyer at the same interest rate and payment amount that they got it at. So think about that. If there was someone who currently owned a home, has a VA, a USDA, or an FHA loan, say 3 years ago, they might have an interest rate in the twos, really, really low. And they can actually transfer that to someone else who qualifies for a VA, FHA, and USDA loan at that same interest rate. Now, the downside is the loan balance is going to stay the same. So that buyer would be responsible for coming up with the difference between what the loan balance is and what the purchase price is. But everybody has something to win in that. And if there's a way for you to close that gap, whether it's with a second mortgage down payment assistance from a local company, here we have a program called Homes Fund, or a local bank, or maybe there's family that can help you out. That could be a really great way to get in a super low interest rate at a house that you want to buy today. So I hope those two things were helpful for you. We need to continue to get creative. If you find the home you love, we'd love to talk to you or connect you with our preferred lender in the area who can walk you through all of your options. And I think the moral and the summary of this video for you today should be there are way more options out there than a 30-year fixed mortgage. There are a lot of creative ways to put things together so that you don't miss out on the home you can afford today when it's more expensive in 2 years when interest rates come back down. So give us a call, reach out, or visit our website at Durango Homes for Sale. That's Durango Homes, FOR, sale.com, and we'll see you next week. Have a good one.